Begin with the name of Allah, who is the most kind, the supremely merciful.
शुरू अल्लाह के नाम से जो बड़े मेहरबान निहायत रहम करने वाले हैं।
Surah 95, Surah At-Tīn, the fig, also known as the fig tree. Witness, are the fig and olive.
कसम है इंजीर की और जैतून की
Likewise, the Mount of Sinai.
और तूरे सीनीन की।
Similarly, this city of peace, security, safe haven,
और उस अमन वाले शहर की।
that I, Allah, have created man with the highest disposition, configuration, constitution.
कि यकीनन हमने इंसान को बहुत अच्छी सूरत में पैदा किया।
However, thereafter, I, Allah, gradually debase, lower, reduce, sink his state to the lowest of the low.
फिर रफ्ता रफ्ता उसकी हालत को पस्त से पस्त कर दिया।
Except for those who consciously pivot their trust on Allah and act, behave in alignment with kindness, righteousness, thereupon for such, there is never-ending reward, ascension.
सिवाय उन लोगों के जो ईमान लाए और नेक अमल करते रहे तो उनके लिए बेइंतहा अज्र है।
Then why is it that you embrace doubts instead of trusting Allah, i.e., having faith, or disregard the day of judgment?
तो फिर ए इंसान तू जज़ा के दिन को क्यों झुटलाता है?
Is Allah not supreme in His command, sovereignty, wisdom, judgment?
क्या अल्लाह सबसे बड़े हाकिम नहीं?
This video is sponsored by SIM, Structured Improvement Movement. If you are looking for a life coach for rapid transformation, consciousness coaching, or intuition training, follow the links in the description.